Swagelok is a components and solutions provider that specializes in fluid systems, and we serve a variety of industries including oil and gas, petrochemical, transportation, semiconductor.
The Offshore Technology Conference, or OTC, is one of the biggest oil and gas shows in the world.
So we chose Prezi for OTC because we were looking for a platform that could organize all of our content in a way that allowed for a seamless interactive experience with our customers.
When we found out that we could use analytics in our booth, we decided to use individual links to each of the monitors in our booth. So we thought that we could use those and then go back and look and see where the traffic was coming from so that the following year we could optimize our booth. And when we analyzed, we were able to see what monitors were being used most. Not only that, but the content. So if one section of our Prezi was being viewed more than others, we could go back and delve through that content to either pare it down, maybe add some more infographics, just let us really see what our customers are looking at. You're not always going to be able to be right in front of your customer, so having the ability to send them a presentation through email and then be able to gather insights later as to what they're looking at, what they need, and then follow it up at a different time, I think has huge value.
So I would recommend Prezi because it allows you to optimize your content. The analytics is a really powerful tool that you can actually use your insights to refine your messaging.